Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, being through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come on this incredible journey. We're just getting started in this space. It's awesome. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because when you do that, the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. Do not take what I say as financial advice in these videos. Also, my golden rule is only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that, especially in cryptos, all right? So please be careful, do your own research. All right, the formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video is literally going to be about XRP, and obviously Ripple's come out with a tweet stating that they think this year, 2022, is going to be very bullish, guys. It's going to be an incredible year, regardless of what's happening in the, with all the FUD out there and all the news and all the media. Ripple still thinks in a tweet and in an article on their website that it is going to be an incredible year, and I agree with them. So I'm going to go straight to my community tab here, guys. The increasing number of smart contracts on XDC. I'm very bullish on XDC. Network validate that the network will likely emerge as a significant competitor to Ethereum. Keep that in mind. XDC is an incredible project. I'm going to get into a video on my Twitter page that I got off their website, so I'll get into that in a second. Some other stuff here, guys. Going through hard times is beneficial. It makes you tougher, stronger, and more successful, and this is what we're all going through right now. So there's some difficult times. Everybody needs to remain positive. It's going to build strength and character. This is what happens just all throughout life in general. So it's pretty cool, guys. So 89% of you said truth. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap to show the total market at the moment, US dollars, and then I'm going to show you CoinSpot. Just flick through the guys, because I think it's, just giving a bit of balance here. Bitcoin sitting at 36,000 USD. It is up slightly, 1.74%, guys. So again, I don't think we're in a bear market. This is just literally a lot of manipulation going on out there. There's a lot of fear out there in terms of what the Fed is going to be doing, coming out in the next couple of days. There's a meeting happening tomorrow in the United States, or 25th of Jan. Going to be interesting to see what happens there with regards to interest rates, cryptocurrency regulation. There's all kinds of stuff that's in the media at the moment. There's a lot happening. Ethereum sitting at $2,428. Tether, dollar, obviously. Binance, $369. Cardano's $1.05 USD. That is incredibly cheap and an incredible layer one project, and it's only going to get bigger in the future. So Cardano's a great one. XRP's at 60 cents USD. Now, XRP, I've been very bullish on for a long time. I still am bullish on it. It is an incredible project with real world utility that is literally going to change the financial sector forever. With on-demand liquidity, sending money overseas, it's literally the only project that is being talked about on mainstream media. All the banks are already using Ripple and XRP Ledger, for transferring money, replacing Swift. It's an incredible project, and at 60 cents, come on. This project should already be in the $10 to $15 range already, but it's obviously being manipulated with the price because of the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit currently going on. But I'm going to get into some stuff in that later. Solana's at $90, Luna at $65, Dogecoin 13 cents USD, DOT is at $17. There's some incredible buying opportunities now, honestly. AVAX $62. You've got Shiba Inu, some whale bought a ridiculous amount of Shiba Inu. I just saw on Twitter. I posted that up, so we'll have a look at that in a second. Matic's $1.49 right now. Another incredible project. Only going to be bigger in the future. This is incredible buying opportunities. Cosmos, Atom, $35. Crypto.com, 37 cents right now. Link, $15. Near Protocol, $10 USD. Algorand, 91 cents. Phantoms at $2.22 USD. Tron is at 5 cents. Let's keep scrolling down here, guys. Stellar XLM is at 19 cents. ICP, $20. I haven't been bullish on ICP. I remember back last year in 2021, this project was literally at like $140. To see this drop significantly, just goes to show. I don't think a lot of people are into ICP, just putting it out there. I don't think there's a few people happy with the team at the moment. Anyway, Mana is at $2.06. Hedera is at 20 cents USD. VeChain, 5 cents USD. Again, I'm very bullish on VeChain. Let's have a look here, guys. Axie Infinity is at $50 USD. Sandbox, $2.96. Theta's at $2.57 USD. I wish these prices were in Australian dollars as well, by the way, because once I show you what's happening on CoinSpot, you'll see the big difference here. Harmony's at 18 cents. Let's just keep scrolling down here, guys. IOTA, 78 cents. The Graph, 39 cents USD. Let's keep scrolling down here. Gala Games at 18 cents. That's an incredible buying opportunity. Quant is at $102. This is an incredible opportunity to dollar cost average into Quant. This project is insane as well. It's also very cheap right now. Rose, 32 cents. Keep scrolling down here, guys, to some other ones here. And obviously, XDC is at 6 cents. Very bullish on that one. Now, obviously, you can see the price differences here on CoinSpot. This is in Australian dollars now. Bitcoin sitting at 51,000 AUD. Ethereum, 3,400. Cardano, $1.51. XRP, 87 cents. Again, it's still incredibly cheap right now. Solana's 130. A good entry point for anyone who wants to jump on Solana. Luna's at $93. Polkadot, $25. Matic is at $2.14 AUD. Cosmos Atom, $50. Crow's at 53 cents. When this stadium goes live and everything starts happening with Crow, and they've been making a lot of partnerships with sport teams around the world, including Formula One, my favorite sport, this project will go parabolic again. It's going to happen. It's inevitable. Link is at $22. Near Protocol, $15. Algo, $1.31. Phantom FTM, $3.19. Stellar XLM is at 28 cents. Hedera, 29 cents Australian. VeChain, 7 cents. Now, this is incredibly cheap as well. $72 for Axis. Sandbox, $4.27. Theta's at $3.70 USD. Oh, sorry, AUD. Harmony One, 27 cents. I'm going to keep scrolling down here. Gala Games, 26 cents. Quant, $144. Rose, 47 cents. And my other favorite here, 9 cents for XDC. So at the moment, there's some really good buying opportunities. I'm going to get straight into some news stuff here. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Again, everything is in the red. Not worried at all. I'm not letting this concern me whatsoever. There's still incredible buying opportunities right here. Nothing is in the green at all, which is really interesting. But again, some awesome stuff about XDC. More than 1,700 smart contracts landed on Sinfin's XDC network. This is incredible. XDC is really undervalued right now. So the increasing number of smart contracts on XDC validate that the network will likely emerge as a significant competitor to Ethereum. Lower fees, transaction speeds and times per second, and guys, are incredible. There's a tweet as well that shows the efficiency compared to Ethereum as well. I'm going to show you that in a second, so it's really cool. So XDC network is fully Ethereum virtual machine EVM compatible, which positions it to attract a large community of Ethereum developers and encourages various dApps which are built on the Ethereum network to migrate over to XDC. Near zero gas fees, which we all love, no gas fees, 2-second transaction time, lowest energy consumption blockchain network, and 2,000 transactions per second are also factors that make it more attractive to build on the XDC network and the latest Ethereum killer, guys. This is awesome. So let's go here. So although XDC is a relatively underrated blockchain network, the growth of the smart contract is a significant milestone as a network moves to become the go-to blockchain for development of decentralized apps, or dApps. So the smart contracts feature that followed the November Andromeda upgrade saw XDC network enact several measures to entice developers. The smart contract is among the latest features contributing to Sinfin's XDC network adoption. XDC is one of the most developed cryptocurrency projects on GitHub in 2021, alongside Cardano and Polkadot. So Cardano is sitting at that dollar level right now, and Polkadot sitting around the $20 AUD mark. So again, XDC sitting at 9 cents right now. Come on, that's incredibly cheap. Some other news here. Ripple CTO chokes on his Diet Coke as the SEC desperately tries to overturn court ruling. The Securities and Exchange Commission, everyone's favorite, has asked Judge Torres to wait until February 17th, 2022, as the plaintiff prepares a motion for a partial reconsideration of the DPP, deliberative process privilege, ordered by Judge Sarah Netburn. The SEC wants to file a 20-page brief and submit more documents for an in-camera review in support of the motion to reconsider the court's ruling of one single aspect of order to the drafts and emails in connection with the ex-director Bill Hinman's speech. Gosh, this is just dragging out as well. It's getting ridiculous. Jeremy Hogan has basically said that this is all going to be dragged out until March this year, and it's just getting dragged and out. So we may not even see anything come out until September, August. So August, September, probably even later. Now, given the fact that this is happening, which is really annoying, and they've been awarded this as well, so it's still annoying. But guys, I'm very bullish on XRP and Ripple, and as a whole. I'll show you that in the tweet as well. Bitcoin inches into positive territory today after falling below 33,000 to a new low. Doesn't matter what happens with this stuff. I'm still very bullish on all my crypto assets, regardless of what's happening out there. The future is going to be incredible. The adoption is only just getting started. Just going to say straight out, when you get companies like this, BlackRock, now I've said go check out this and I've just done it for you. So to put things in perspective, the value of the BlackRock fund itself, $126.43 billion in assets, total value. Crazy, crazy stuff. I mean, they are literally the owners of every major company on the planet, them and Vanguard. They are wanting to get into the cryptocurrency space with an exchange traded fund, ETF. If that gets approved by the SEC, which who knows what they're going to do basically, but the institutional money that flows into this is going to be insane. It's just incredible to think how early we are before all of these institutional holders like BlackRock. You can see this 86.21% of shares are held by institutions, 87.16 are float held by institutions, 2,274 number of institutions holding shares. It just goes to show how many people are involved with BlackRock. Imagine that flowing into the crypto space, what that's going to do with prices. It's going to be incredible. Also, this is a news article here on slate.com, why the crypto market is crashing. As traditional investors have gotten involved in cryptocurrency over the last 2 years, the stock and Bitcoin markets are becoming increasingly linked, which is true. You can see they're both sort of correlating with each other, which is interesting. The specter of forthcoming regulation could also be spooking investors, since the Biden administration is expected to release the federal strategy on cryptocurrency next month. So this is all happening. Everything's tied in together. You've got stuff happening in Russia at the moment, in Ukraine, which is devastating. I hope nothing happens there. You've got the Federal Reserve now coming out with, raising inflation rates here, which is going to be, again, devastating if that happens, because a lot of people are going to be affected by this. People with mortgages are not going to be able to pay their mortgages, and that's going to be really sad to see people lose their homes. That's going to happen most likely. Even here in Australia, that'll happen. Food prices are going absolutely insane right now. There's a lot happening even in Australia here right now. Retail is set to win as food inflation forecast to hit 6.8% this year. So everything's going to go up 6.8% in Australia. Imagine what the families trying to feed families trying to buy food to feed their families. It's crazy what's happening out there. But again, cryptocurrencies are a hedge against all of this. Regardless of what everyone else says out there, cryptos are a hedge against all of this stuff here. Now, I'm going to go into Twitter right now because I'm going to show you this here. Ripple, last year's show continued maturation of the crypto space. But what will 2022 hold? Our leadership team predicts multi-chain interoperability, explosive growth in the crypto payments, new pressure to refine NFT infrastructure. Now, this article is very fascinating here, guys. Check it out on my Twitter page there. You can have a full read of this. I'm not going to go into it, all of it. Basically the persistent and global nature of the pandemic continues to highlight insufficiencies with the world's domestic and cross-border payment systems. This was exacerbated as remittances to low and middle income nations roared back to growth in 2021, which we all saw. Everyone was sort of adopting blockchain and cryptos now. Like, you've got all these, countries around the world that are just getting involved in it, making it their national currency or their main currency. So it's going to be incredible. Putting pressure on insufficient cross-border payment systems. Brooks Entwistle, Managing Director of APAC and MENA, points to a multiple CBDC projects, central bank digital currencies, over the last year, and their link to national real-time payment systems that are motivated to help improve inadequate payment rails. Go straight to the bottom of this article here, guys. I want to show you this. Ultimately, 2022 will be defined by mainstream expansion and improved customer experience. Overlapping efforts, regulators, central banks, traditional finance institutions, and crypto innovators will all build on the past year as an inflection point that will push the industry forward. Customers and consumers alike will benefit from the improved infrastructure, user experience, regulatory clarity, and interoperability as crypto becomes a critical element of the new normal in finance. So again, this is going to be incredible this year. Even Ripple's predicting 2022 is going to be a big year. Some other stuff here, if we go back to my Twitter page here, I'm at the Wall Street Bulls, by the way. Now, XDC, hybrid blockchain is 99.99991% more efficient than Ethereum. This is incredible as well. Go to this website here, stats.xdc.org. You can see here everything detailing the XDC network here and the speed as well. Check this out here, guys. 40 million there, best block, average block time 2 seconds, which is awesome in the efficiency. I'm going to scroll here if I can get that. There we go. Look at that, 99.999% less than Ethereum, the transaction fee. So isn't that really nice to see that? So XDC is a very undervalued project right now. XRP has overtaken Solana in market value, which is awesome to see that get flipped. John E. Deaton, absolute, conclusive, and irrefutable proof. Bill Hinman intentionally misled the public as Director of Corporate Finance while at the SEC. This is an interesting video. Go watch this, guys. Jeremy Hogan, Attorney Solomon is on point as usual. It's head scratcher from the SEC, as it's fairly obvious that the motion probably won't be granted and surely not won, if granted. And the SEC then goes on to contradict its own position on the DPP privilege, which is what I said before, which is incredible. And this is James K. Phelan. In a text order, Judge Netburn granted in part the SEC's request for an extension of time, which is annoying, regarding the reconsideration of her DPP ruling. This is just really annoying, guys. Just keeps getting dragged out as well. This is an interesting recording. Go have a listen to this just in relation to trade finance. Just puts things in perspective in relation to XDC. One of my favorite, obviously, projects. Blockworks, the biggest companies are hiring for crypto. Work that one out. Reddit, Visa, JP Morgan, Nike, and a lot more. A thread on what they are hiring for, guys. So again, there's only adoption happening here. Mainstream. Justin, Walmart director, joins blockchain board and says crypto is a giant shift in finance. Just getting started here. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is at 13 at the moment. Hasn't really moved from there. It's the Wild West in crypto. Saddle up, cowboys and cowgirls. Yes, that's true. This is awesome video on what XDC actually is.
Next gen.
Let's have a listen to this.
It's real world contracts and transactions. Come, join the XDC community.
Self-explanatory right there what XDC actually is. So there you go. Pretty much that is a lot to do with, global, the ISO 20022 stuff here, guys. I mean, these are all going after the same thing, trade finance, global, settlements, with, replacing SWIFT. It's all happening, guys. So we're really early. A stock market swoon won't keep the Fed from its rate increase date in March. So again, this is all the fear out there. Just in, Ethereum whales just purchased 426 billion Shiba Inu worth $8.6 million. That is insane. And again, this is the tweet from Jeremy Hogan here. My instinct is that someone higher up the food chain got involved and instructed the lawyer to fight the DPP loss harder or go to the scorched earth on litigation, i.e. delay, increase Ripple's costs, which is, annoying. I've seen things like this before, which is really annoying. This is what he's saying here. Again, delaying the case, Ripple and XRP, making them having to pay more money in legal fees. I get scared thinking about what the cost would be. Microsoft's $69 billion purchase of Activision Blizzard shows how serious big tech is about the metaverse. There's big things happening this year. And the SEC. So there is no silver lining here with this in this ruling granting the SEC's extension of time, even if the order of motions reconsideration is eventually upheld. Now discovery won't conclude until March at the earliest. So again, it's just getting delayed. I've got diamond hands here. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it in terms of... Again, I'm just keeping an eye on the charts here on TradingView. Still obviously learning all this technical analysis and stuff like that, because I'm more based on the utility side of the projects themselves in terms of what I like to invest in. But regardless, the RSI is not overbought or oversold. And again, we've been in a sidewards trading movement here for months, which is really annoying as well. You can clearly see that on the charts here when I zoom out here. For the last few months, even since last year, it's just been going sideways. Literally, I think we're going to be seeing some incredible news here in this space, and this will take off, go parabolic. So it's just a matter of time as well. If I go to my watch list as well, XDC is another one that has been trading sideways. And again, very bullish on these projects because the banking sector is going to be a game changer this year. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think about XRP in this case getting extended. Ripple putting out a post saying 2022 is going to be very bullish this year. Are you still buying the dip? Because I am. let's talk about it in the comments, all right? Stay safe, everyone. Peace. Bye.